And here it is, guys. Take a look at this. This is the mixture right here. Now, to use this on the skin, you're gonna need some applicator, and these are cotton pads. Use Q-tips or any applicator that you have. Now, to use this as a dark circle remover, an eye bag, a puffy eye remover, you are just going to soak that cotton pad, and a little goes a long way, and you are going to dab it under your eyes. You're dabbing it on the clean under eyes. So go ahead and dab this on. You're going to do both under eyes with it. Now, once this is done, you are going to leave it on the skin. You can go to sleep with it once it is dried, and you're going to use it for at least 6 weeks straight. After a week or so, you should notice a significant difference. But what I like most about this, guys, is that this can use all over your face. So you can go ahead and always remember to shake it up, and you can soak that cotton pad like I'm showing here, and you are going to apply this all over your face. And yes, you can be generous with it. Apply it all over your face. It's gonna lighten, brighten, clear hyperpigmentation. And guess what you can do with this again, guys? You can let it dry on the skin, or you can also use this as a facial wash. So you can soak up your cotton pad with it, and you can go ahead and wash your face with it. Wash your face with it, and this one works like a charm. You're looking for fast result, wash your face with this twice per day, AM and PM, and you're on your way to naturally glowing skin. Just a very versatile remedy that can clear dark under eye circles, eye bags, and puffy eyes. Can get rid of spots and blemishes on the skin. It can also help your skin to look younger, fresher, and brighter, and it can also give you that natural glow. So what are you waiting for? You need to get in your kitchen really quick and start whipping this one up. And guess what I want you all to do is to take a before and after picture, use it for at least 6 weeks straight, and then come back and leave a comment or share your picture. Store this one in the refrigerator. One more thing I forget to tell you, when you use this on the skin and you leave it on the skin like now, I'm feeling a tightening sensation that is coming from the potato. So guess what? It also have to tighten and firm the skin. It's a recipe that you really should try. If you're skeptical about any other recipe that I made on this channel, this one is a must try. So go ahead, whip it up, use it up, and then come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.